Morning everybody. Here we are in Kitgum Municipality, where this morning today we are going to have an historic moment. The chiefs of Acholi would elect who should be their chairperson in the name of Lawirwodi. That is an historic event that Acholi subregion witnessed for the last time in 1963 in post-colonial administration. With ears and eyes are all here in Kitgum Municipality. Today were 58 clan leaders, the chiefs, will historically elect their chairpersons. Kitgum Municipality is a place that everybody wishes to live in. Starting in 1974 as the district, it was formerly Chua district under colonial administration. Before 1936, the colonial administration re-amalgamated it to Acholi district. Rwodi have gathered here this morning to have an election of who should be their chairperson under K. Kwara Acholi. Yesterday, security, especially the police, said they have blocked the election of Lawigi, citing violence and insecurity. But as I walk through this city or this municipality this morning, I see everything is calm, everybody is happy. Early morning hours, see people going to their work, but we don't know what might happen today. I talked to somebody, Rwodi, last night, determined, ready to conduct their election peacefully without interfering. The program is due to start at 9 a.m. We are all eager to see for the first time how Lawirwodi is elected. The last election was done in 1963 in Gulu, where Pilipo Adonga Pajule was elected as the Lawirwodi. Up to now, Acholi did not have a substantive election of Lawirwodi. This historic event will take place here. We are ready to have it. We are ready to see it. We are peacefully here, no violence. This is an election about 58 members who will be voters. Not everybody will be voters. Majority of people who will come here this morning, they are going to be the witness observers of this historic moment in Kitgum Municipality.